Hey guys, this is my morning and night routine, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Subscribe. That's it. Subscribe. Alright, here we go. First things first, I need to put some contacts in. Now I can see. So my new face routine, everything I use is from Glow Recipe. I've used their products before in the past, but never consistently, and then they sent us some PR packages, and I was like, oh, you know what? I'm gonna actually try and use these, and I turned out to really like them. And Glow Recipe has just like changed my skin so much. It's pretty much like made my skin really smooth. My pores are not as big as they used to be. I rarely get acne anymore. I'm really happy with how everything's turned out. So the first thing I'm going to be using is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Next thing I'm going to be using is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tightener Toner. Okay? But I don't put it on my eyelids, it stings my eyelids. It dries out my eyelids, so don't do that if you have sensitive eyes. And then they say to not wait. Don't wait. Just put the vitamin C serum on. I'm putting pineapple vitamin C bright serum. So cute, all the packaging is so cute. I do this every day. Next, we're going to use the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And this, okay, by the way, all of this stuff smells really good. The pore tightener smells like watermelon. The pineapple one smells like, what does it smell like? It smells like fruity, but it's like all natural stuff that is good for your skin. I'm just gonna put the moisturizer on. Rub that all over. I look super shiny. Trust me. At first I was like, is this too much? But it's not. Your skin gets used to it after you consistently use it for a while. Now the last thing I do before I put on some makeup, I finish it off with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. And this is good for like hydrating, putting on before makeup, putting it on after you do your makeup. If you just need a refresher, this stuff is like good because it also smells like watermelon. I know they only say to do 3 sprays, but I love putting so much on my face. I take this booklet of Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez and I fan myself and let all the products just kind of soak up into my skin and dry up. I don't know if this is the right thing to do in a routine, but you know what? We're just gonna do it. So now everything is pretty much soaked into my skin, and now it's time to put on some makeup. I'm not gonna show you me putting on makeup for that. This video is just my skincare routine. Now it is time to show you how I take off all my makeup and what I do at night. I did forget to mention several things. Also, this is the makeup routine I did in the last video. So if you want to know what I did, just go watch that video. But I'm doing something a little different. Glow Recipe has these lip pops, like they're like lip balms, and I love them so much. Oh wait, hold on. I'm doing it out of order. After I do my makeup, I take my toothbrush and brush my teeth. When I brush my teeth, I do this. I use Colgate Total, and then I take this. It's Smile Active. It's a power whitening gel that you can just put on top of your toothpaste. Like you're supposed to put an equal amount of what's on your tooth. So it looks like that, right? It's a whitening gel. So you just put it on with your toothpaste and then it like helps whiten your teeth, and it actually works. The reason I brush my teeth after is because it helps get rid of all the foundation that was on my lips. So then I put on the Glow Recipe lip balm, and this stuff is so, oh, it's so good. I want to eat it. You can't, don't eat it. That's not good. And I love the little tint it has. To let you guys know, I didn't put any primer on because sometimes it's just like I have so much stuff on my face already, I don't feel like I need primer. And it usually lasts throughout the entire day, this routine I do. When I wear a mask, it does sometimes kind of wipe off depending on like how long I'm wearing the mask, what I'm doing. I mean, I'm just being honest, but for the most part, it all stays on pretty well. So yeah, okay, now onto my night routine. All right, you guys, it is like 10 o'clock at night. I just had my Oreos. Now we're going to take off my contacts. And because I have dailies, I toss them out. Throw them away, done with them. Now I can't see. It is time for the makeup removal process and I need to change my shirt. Okay, yes, I know it's not Christmas anymore, but it's a shirt, so get over it. Well, whatever. I'm gonna take a makeup remover towelette by Neutrogena and I'm just gonna remove as much makeup as I can. So the mascara I use is waterproof, but I'm gonna show you how to get it off correctly, okay? And we're gonna be taking this. It is Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet. Not to eat. Do not eat it. It's an enzyme cleansing balm, makeup melting smoothie. I'm gonna use this little spatula thing that I ordered off Amazon because I lost my spatula that comes with this. And I'm gonna do this, put on my face like that. This is just gonna remove all the excess makeup, right? Okay? So do that, but I'm gonna also put it on my eyes. So just get like a little pea size. This may be too much, but you know what? I always use too much of everything. Just make sure you put it all over, like in like little sections, right? Oh, this stuff smells so good. Oh, I look crazy. Oh, I look crazy. I'm gonna end up closing my eyes because I need to close my eyes for this part. Well, until I do my eyes. So we're just gonna rub it into our skin and it's gonna melt all the makeup off. Like the rest that you had on there. And then we're gonna gently rub it into our eyelashes, okay? Like this, just take your middle finger and just lightly go in like circles and just get those eyelashes. Trust me, it comes off. See, it's coming off. I'm gonna do this eye too at the same time. It takes a bit. It doesn't come off super fast, so just slowly rub it in, get it all off. Now the cool thing about this stuff is it comes off with water. Okay, so there you go. My makeup is all off. Look, waterproof mascara, gone. I'm gonna use the cleanser I used this morning, the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, and wash my face with that, okay? You'll see why I changed into a shirt. We're gonna pat our face dry. I know some of y'all might be thinking, why did I not wear a headband? Well, makeup, when I put my makeup on, I ended up putting it, like it blends into my hair and right here. So when you wash your makeup, you need to make sure to wash like right here. And at that point your hair gets wet, but it washes the makeup out of your hair too. That's why like sometimes I get acne along my hairline because I don't wash the makeup off correctly. But yeah, so look, now my skin is all clean. I've been using this routine like so much. Also, you can just go into the shower and just use this at the beginning of your shower. What I will do is like, I won't even take the makeup wipe I'll just like go on with full face of makeup into the shower and just use this before I get like my hair wet and stuff, and I'll just rub it all over my face, and then when I go in and finally get my hair wet, I'll like wipe it all off, and then like your makeup's gone. So it's very easy to use in the shower, and I really like that. For the most part, I would just go to bed like this. I wouldn't put anything on my face, but my skin has been super dry lately. So I'm going to put the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and it's going to hydrate my face. And so I'm gonna take my little spatula and I'm gonna stir the little gel, because you have to stir it, okay? And I'm just gonna take little things. So you can use this as like a 10-minute mask or wear it all night long. So I'm gonna wear it all night long because I need it. Rub it in and even put it on my eyelids. Obviously not in my eye, but like on my eyelids, because it needs it. My eyelids need it. And this stuff smells like watermelon. Oh, it's so good. It smells like the Jolly Rancher watermelon candy. And I'm not even lying, like, wow, it smells so good. I wanna eat it. And I'm going to let it dry before I, obviously go to bed. Oh, I messed up again. I usually floss and do all my stuff before I put a face mask on. Well, I'm gonna brush my teeth, and I don't think you guys need to see me brush my teeth again because I'm just gonna do what I did this morning. There you have it. There is my morning skin routine, and here is my night skin routine. All skin is different. All the Glow Recipe stuff has been working for my skin. It's been making it super smooth. I rarely get pimples anymore. My pores are a lot smaller, less visible. I really like Glow Recipe, and especially because their products are like natural and stuff, so I'm really glad that I found like this routine that works for my skin. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna put the lip balm on because I love it, and then I'm gonna put Vaseline on my lips too. I didn't brush my teeth, never mind. Anyways, please subscribe to Ronnie and Vanessa. Comment down below what other videos you'd like to see. Check out some of the other videos we've done. We're going to have a ton of more videos in the future on our lifestyle and all of that. So stay tuned for those, and I'll see you guys next time.